Want to upgrade your apartment with smart home gadgets that bring convenience, style, and technology together? From motion-activated kitchen faucets to motorized blinds, these Amazon finds will take your space to the next level. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the heated toilet seat, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Featuring 3 adjustable temperature settings, it keeps you warm during colder months, while the soft blue LED nightlight ensures easy visibility in the dark. With a gentle closing seat and lid, universal fit for standard toilets, and a simple plug-in design for GFI outlets, this smart upgrade brings luxury and functionality to any bathroom. The 13-gallon automatic garbage can takes cleanliness and convenience to the next level with its touchless sensor technology, allowing for a hygienic, hands-free experience. Designed with a sleek stainless steel finish, fingerprint resistance, and an odor-sealing lid, it keeps your space looking and smelling fresh. With a large 13-gallon capacity and a modern, noise-free operation, this smart trash can is a stylish and functional upgrade for any kitchen. The motion-activated kitchen faucet combines modern convenience with powerful performance, making everyday tasks effortless. With Motion Sense Wave technology, you can turn the water on and off with just a simple hand motion, keeping things clean and touch-free. Designed with a spot-resistant stainless finish, it repels fingerprints and water spots, while Power Clean Spray technology delivers 50% more spray power for efficient cleaning. The Herb Garden Kit with Grow Light lets you grow fresh herbs and vegetables indoors, no matter the season. With energy-efficient LED grow lights and a self-watering system, your plants thrive effortlessly. Just drop in the included pods, fill the reservoir, and plug it in. Choose from over 50 pre-seeded plant pods, or use seedless pods to grow anything you like, making this kit perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. This smart scale takes body tracking to the next level with 13 essential body measurements, including weight, BMI, and body fat percentage, all stored in the Renfo Health app. Seamlessly syncing with Samsung Health, Fitbit, and Apple Health, it makes monitoring progress effortless for unlimited users, even pets and babies with its baby weighing mode. Designed with high-precision sensors, auto-calibration, and a sleek tempered glass surface. This air quality monitor helps you breathe easier by tracking temperature and humidity in real time. Its switchable LED display provides instant air quality updates with 4 color-coded indicators, plus a built-in clock for added convenience. Connect it to Govee Home smart appliances like purifiers and humidifiers to automatically adjust your indoor environment for fresher, healthier air effortlessly. Plug-in Mosquito Killer is a powerful, mess-free solution for eliminating flying pests like mosquitoes, gnats, and fruit flies. Using UV light technology with dual wavelengths, it lures insects onto a glue board, trapping them silently without zapping or odors. With smart night light modes, it automatically adjusts to surrounding light or stays on for a soft glow, making it a perfect, hassle-free addition to any room for a peaceful night's sleep. Moving Kinetic Wall Art brings a sense of calm and mindfulness to any space, making it perfect for your home or office. Designed as a modern mandala interpretive piece, it serves as a visual reminder to pause, reset, and stay present, enhancing focus, creativity, and relaxation. Crafted from sustainable eucalyptus and ash plywood, this mesmerizing, mechanically powered artwork moves continuously, creating a soothing ambiance while adding a unique, meditative touch to your environment. Upgrade your bathroom with the 24 by 32-inch Bluetooth bathroom mirror with lights, a sleek, frameless design that blends modern style with smart functionality. Featuring customizable LED lighting, you can switch between warm, natural, and cool white tones while adjusting brightness to your perfect setting. With anti-fog technology for a crystal-clear reflection and built-in Bluetooth speakers for immersive surround sound, this mirror turns your daily routine into a luxurious experience. Transform your home with the convenience and style of motorized blinds, designed for effortless installation with a no-drill mechanism that securely fits inside your window frame. Made from 3-layer blackout fabric, These smart blinds provide excellent UV protection and privacy, making them perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. With Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, you can schedule your blinds to open with the morning sun or close at sunset, creating a seamless, automated lifestyle that enhances comfort and privacy. Elevate your shower experience with the Showerhead Bluetooth speaker, featuring premium Harman Kardon sound quality for an immersive audio experience. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly stream your favorite playlists or podcasts wirelessly, turning your bathroom into a personal concert. Designed with a waterproof and portable build, this shower speaker lets you enjoy crystal clear sound anywhere, whether you're in the shower or on the go. Upgrade your home lighting with Govee Smart Light Bulbs, offering 16 million colors and 54 preset scene modes to create the perfect ambiance for any mood or occasion. With Music Sync technology, these bulbs react to your favorite songs, transforming your space into a dynamic light show. Easily control them through Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee Home app, allowing you to adjust brightness, change colors, and set schedules.